Alright guys, so today we're just going to do a quick little run through of how to fix a balance lead. I'm sure we've all been there where we've crashed and destroyed one of these. This one has a small nick in one of the cables, but it means that it no longer picks up on my charger. So yeah, this is how we change it. So the things that you're going to need for this are obviously your broken battery, some electrical tape, some tweezers or pliers, a new balance cable. You can get these in a bag of 10 for a couple of quid off Banggood. Some solder. I like to use the TBS stuff, I find it really good, and a soldering iron. You're also going to need some wire cutters. One of these to clean your soldering iron is also a good idea. So first things to first, what we're going to do, we're going to trim this heat shrink off the outside. Just be careful when you're doing this that you're only going under the actual outside layer and you're not cutting into the batteries like I appear to be. So in this instance I'm actually just going to bin this outer layer. This is an old pack, but if you're really careful, sometimes you can salvage them and reuse it. So we'll throw that in the bin. Now the next thing we're going to do is to take this little guard off here. So first up, we're going to slip this. And then again, I'm just going to trim that to a point where we can actually pull it off. We're not going to use this either, so this can go in the bin or that can go in the bin as well. So once we've done that, what we want to do is find the edge of the wrap and just try and give that a little lift up. Be well stuck, and then we'll want to reuse this, so try not to destroy it. Might be some tape just holding it. We'll remove that. When you pull it off, it's probably going to pull this foam with it as well. Just be careful to keep everything all together. Remove any bits of unnecessary tape. So now we've still got a bit of tape around from earlier. I'm going to remove that now. And then we've also got this tape here. So basically what you want to do is to keep going until you have something that looks like this. and that looks like this. So the next thing we're going to do is basically unsolder each of these wires and solder a new one in place directly corresponding to the one we've taken off. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So the first wire in here, we're going to solder a new one onto. These already come pre-tinned, that's great. So first give the soldering iron a good clean up using this. You want it looking nice and shiny. And there we go, pull that one off. And we'll get the new one. Literally just solder that one in place. Now number 2 is my snapped one. And we're going to follow this through and do all 6. Just be careful not to touch 2 wires with a soldering iron. If this starts getting too hot, you can always use your tweezers to hold it. Just so happens that my fingers seem to be made of asbestos. Will help to have your soldering iron pretty hot for this. I'll put this on about 380. And last but not least, got the red. Right, now I'm not happy with this one, so I'm going to redo this one. It's better. And that's it, that's the soldering portion done. So now we'll put that all on. What we're going to do is redress the battery. So we're going to pop these back over the edges here. Doesn't have to be great. Just roughly there or thereabouts. Put the metal guard plate in place. Pop this back round. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just there or thereabouts. It's going to give it some sort of protection. Oh, the metal plate slid out there, we don't want that. We want that to be in line. And there we go. So next thing is to wrap the battery in insulation tape. Start off by doing a wrap around this way. Just fold those edges over. Do a wrap around this side. Now we're just going to go round and round. Make sure that we cover everything. You basically can't use too much tape here. And there we have it, one repaired Lipo. Well guys, I hope that was easy enough to follow. If you've got any questions, just stick them down in the comments below. And if you've got any more suggestions for videos, by all means send them in the comments, and I'll try and help you out. If you like the video, make sure you subscribe, and yeah, we'll see you in the next one.